Alright, it's time for me to do the last reaction video for today, and then I'm off. And this time I'm gonna react to a Texas, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and it's only 15 executions, including the DLC. Now it's crazy because I mean I thought they were gonna do more like a execution stuff because I think Leatherface had that I think Leatherface had one of those hammers with it, of course. Maybe that might be more the execution instead of lesser, less ones. I mean, I think it might have been Rush, I guess, but I don't know. But it seems very, very excited. I just can't. I'm gonna try my best to get that the Texas Chainsaw Massacre if I can, cause it looks fun as hell. Come on, cause it looks like it's based off, like a Dead by Daylight and Friday the 13th, of course, because that's what it bases off of that game, of course. So yeah, but yeah. So let me know, comment down below if y'all got the game. How was it? Is it fun? Is it okay? Or is it not good? So let me know. And yeah, let's check it out in 5, 4, 3, 2. Ah, then you showed the good thing. Never mind. Oh, shit. No, not the black man. No. Oh. 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 No. That. That,
Oh, you poor
bro.
little thing!
What the fuck, man? Jesus Christ. So that's it. I think there's less gore, more bloodier, I guess. I don't think they ever show that much, but that's that's fine. Now I think about it, I was gonna get my chance to watch the Texas Chainsaw Massacre on Netflix, of course. Well, hopefully, cause it's about to be end of the summer, or was I think next week, of course. So yeah, but yeah, I think the summer about to end anyway. So yeah, but that is crazy. That is absolutely a crazy. Cause I don't know. I guess they're gonna get some more executions soon. Maybe for DLC. I hope so. Then I want to see if Leatherface used to smash the hammer to the head. Cause that'd be so cool. And I mean that'd be brutal as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Cause it's always like that sometimes. But yeah, man. I think that's gonna be it for today. But don't worry, there'll be more reactions for let's say tomorrow. So yeah, but that's it for now. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and near, click the bell notification down below in case you are new here, and I will see y'all next time. This time, sign out. Bye.